when did your parents get this farm in Lakewood? How did that happen?
Oh, well, this was in 1946 or 47, something like that. And they didn't have the money, but through the Farmers Home Administration and a couple of others, they were able to finance it. And the reason they went out there is that there was a bunch of their friends who were already out on the farm. And my father hated working in the shops. And he saw how they were living this life. And when he had the farm, he loved it. He loved it. He used to take a nap every afternoon after lunch. And he said he could never do this when he was working.
And what kind of farm was it?
A poultry farm, egg farm. They were all egg farmers there. And in Lakewood, they had a very large group of egg farmers. And they had different organizations there. I think they had about 3 or 4 egg distributors, and then they had 3 or 4 feed companies that the people belonged to. So it's every political person, every political type had their own group. Poultry farms usually had these long buildings with the chickens in them, and then they had fields with what they called shelters, where when the chicken reached a certain age, they would put them out for the summer. And it was interesting, at night you'd see them all flocking up on top of the shelters or on the trees. Everything was white.